Teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Viber not responding or not working. So basically what this problem does is when you try to open your Viber on your phone, your Viber doesn't open. So it's basically because of a bug. So the first thing you can do is make sure if your Viber is up to date, because Viber brings out new update, and on those new updates they fix their bug. So make sure your Viber is updated, because updating your Viber might fix the bug, which is stopping your Viber from responding to you or not working. So make sure Viber is up to date. For that, go to your Play Store and check Viber like this. As you guys can see, there's an open button over here. But if there was an update button instead of open, that means my Viber is not up to date and I need to update my Viber. So make sure that your Viber is up to date. And the other thing is, you can clear the data of Viber. So basically we're gonna clear the cache stored in Viber. So for that, I can hold on the Viber icon and click on app info, and after going to app info I can click on storage usage, and on storage usage click on clear data and then click on clear. What this is gonna do is this is basically gonna clear the cache of Viber, and I need to relog into my Viber again once I try to open my Viber. And after clearing the cache, go back and click on permission, and on permission turn on all your permission, and after turning on all your permissions, go back again and click on data usage status. And on data usage status, click on network permission and make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected over here. And after doing this, try to open your Viber again. Your Viber should open this time. But if it still doesn't open, then the other thing you can do is delete your Viber and reinstall your Viber. Because if some corrupted file is causing this problem, then deleting it and reinstalling your Viber is the easiest way to fix it.